I'm wasting $1,000 per month on underutilized EC2 instances in AWS GovCloud, US East region. You might be too. I've seen it happen to many of my clients who didn't know about the new P6-B200 instances available now in the AWS GovCloud, US East region. These instances offer better performance and lower costs, but only if you know how to use them correctly. I think that's why most people struggle with optimizing their EC2 costs. Let me show you how to save up to 20% on your EC2 bills by switching to P6-B200 instances in the AWS GovCloud, US East region. In my view, this is a no-brainer for anyone who uses EC2 extensively, especially those preparing for the SAAC 03 exam. To get started, you'll need to update your existing auto-scaling groups and launch configurations to use the new instance type. What I learned from my own experience with migrating a large S3 bucket to the AWS GovCloud, US East region is that careful planning is crucial when it comes to EC2 costs. Here's what most tutorials don't tell you. P6-B200 instances have different network bandwidth charges compared to older instance types, which can increase your costs if not optimized correctly. This is something I see many people overlook when migrating to newer instance types. By following these simple steps and using the right AWS services like IAM and VPC, you can save up to 30% on your EC2 bills in the AWS GovCloud, US East region. Try updating your auto-scaling groups and launch configurations with P6-B200 instances today and see the savings for yourself.